Hey y'all, welcome to Big Mama's Kitchen. I'm your host, Big Mama, Tony, and today we have a very special guest in the kitchen. This is Chef Londyn. That's right. Say hi. Hi to the people.
Hi, people.
Say thanks for coming and stopping by.
Bye.
Just say hey y'all.
Hey, y'all.
That's right.
That's right.
So Londyn's gonna help me cook up this chicken tonight. I know we've done chicken so many times before, y'all, in the air fryer. However, this time it's gonna be real quick.
Bring me
And we're not gonna use any egg wash this time. You know I like to fry my chicken and dip it in egg and get that batter all together. But tonight we're just have the chicken that's been marinated in mustard. And we're gonna toss it around the flour and get it all ready to go. With the help of Londyn. Yes. Londyn, you love cooking?
Yeah.
Tell the people Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Look at the camera right there, baby. Look at the camera right there and say, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
All right.
All right.
Okay, this is a little... Look for the thumb. Look for the thumb, baby. Look for the thumb. All right, hold tight. Hold tight. Now, roll up my sleeve. And I'm going to put some gloves on, too. Is that all right? So, see, this is how they work when they fit. Oh, well, okay. I don't work in food service, y'all. I just had these at home. This is a hobby. Even though, you know, y'all can tell I know my way around the kitchen and the seasoning cabinet. I don't play about my groceries. And we all ready to go, right? Right. All right, let me step away and get a Ziploc bag. Stay right there, Londyn.
Yeah.
Talk to the people.
Hi, guys. What are you doing?
So you was telling them that you're help cooking, right? All right. So we have the chicken ready. It's been marinating in this mustard, yellow mustard. I follow Miss Brazil. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. She always marinates chicken in mustard. So we're going to try that tonight. It always looks so good. So I'm sure ours is going to turn out great as well. Thanks to Chef Londyn here. Okay, so Londyn, I'll tell you what. Can you take this batter, sweetie? This is the air fryer. That's what we're going to cook the chicken in, okay? Here, can you help me? Hold this box. Hold it. And I want you to pour it in here. Oh, like this, like this. 2 hands. Here. Hold it. Hold it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Oh. We losing too much. Hold on. Girl, wait a minute now. Wait a minute. We only doing thighs. Hold on. Calm down. Wait. That's too much. Come on.
Too much.
Bring it back. Okay.
Too much.
Yes. Too much.
Too much.
It's okay. We got it covered. All right. There it is. That's enough. Okay. So, my hands. I'm going to move this over. Move it over. And I want you to grab the chicken thigh. And I want you to drop it in this bag. And then I'm going to shake it up. No. Just take one piece at a time. Put it in there.
Oh my gosh, it's too big.
It's too big? Okay, go ahead, try it. Want me to get it? You got it? You got the gloves messed up now. You might as well go on back in there. Good. I know. But don't fling it. It's mustard. Don't get the mustard on me, Mom. Now, don't do that. Did I tell y'all that Londyn was my grandbaby? Yes, this is my beautiful grandbaby. This is the daughter of beautiful Nunu. Hey, don't get mustard on me. Don't do that. Okay. Now use that hand and get another piece out. Use this hand. Go back in there and get some chicken. Nope, not that hand. Nope, just the glove hand. Yep. Yes. Londyn, you're cooking, girl. This is what we gonna do. Wait, don't fling it. No. Wait. I understand it has mustard on it. We got 2 more to go. Get that thigh. Nope, not that hand. This one in here. Go ahead. It's wet. It's okay. It's wet on the outside, sweetheart. You don't want it no more? Okay, let me do it. I got it from here. I got it from here. Now, so just finish watching, okay? So I'm going to take these. Oh, Lord, it is wet in here, girl. I see what you mean. That's a lot of mustard, child. Hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Yes. I might have went overboard with the mustard, child. I'm going to have to tell y'all about this in the comments to tell you how it came out. Because this is a bit much for me too, Londyn. I agree. Let's get these off, child. It's a lot, right? So now, we good to go. Let's start shaking it up. Do you want to help do some shaking or you just want to keep talking? What you want to do? No? Shake, shake, shake. Alright. So y'all see what we're doing here. We're going to get this all laid out and pop it in the air fryer. And we'll put that picture in the thumbnail and let you know how it turns out. Thanks for stopping by.
Bye.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Bye.
Thanks for stopping by Big Mama's Kitchen.
Mommy Kitchen.
All right. Be safe out there.